before you, I used to be scared of growing old, scared of time passing, and the thought of life eventually ending. But now I look forward to growing old because it means I get to spend a life long with you.